If you are looking for an entry point into the world of wood-fired cooking that balances legendary reliability with pure, no-nonsense performance, the Traeger Pro 22 is the classic workhorse that started it all. This is the Gen 1 Pro series, a grill loved by barbecue enthusiasts for years because it focuses on what matters most: consistent, wood-fired flavor without the complexity of modern smart home connectivity. The Pro 22 is for the backyard chef who wants to master the craft of smoking, roasting, and BBQing with a machine that is built like a tank and incredibly easy to manage. Here is why the Traeger Pro 22 remains a top choice for serious backyard cooks. Authentic wood-fired flavor. Powered by 100% natural hardwood pellets, this grill delivers that signature smoky depth that charcoal and gas simply cannot replicate. Everything from briskets to holiday turkeys gains a depth of flavor that turns an ordinary meal into an event. The set it and forget it philosophy. Thanks to the Digital Pro controller, you get consistent temperature control. You set your temperature, and the grill's internal auger feeds the fire the exact amount of pellets needed to maintain that heat. It's as easy as using your kitchen oven, just outdoors. Massive 6-in-1 versatility. Don't let the word smoker fool you. With a temperature range that goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue. Want to bake a wood-fired pizza or roast veggies? It handles it with ease. Built for durability, this unit features the iconic Sawhorse chassis, which provides rock-solid stability even on uneven backyard terrain. It is finished with a durable powder coating and features porcelain-coated steel grates, meaning it is built to survive years of intense outdoor use. Smart features for precise results. It comes with an included meat probe, so you can monitor your food's internal temperature without lifting the lid and losing your precious heat and smoke. Convenient pellet management. When you want to switch from a bold hickory flavor to a delicate fruit wood like apple or cherry, the easy hopper clean-out trapdoor on the back makes swapping pellet types incredibly simple. While it doesn't have Wi-Fi like the newer, more expensive Traeger models, the Pro 22 is a favorite for people who want a reliable, analog-style experience that doesn't rely on software updates or internet connections. It just works every single time you fire it up. If you are ready to start your journey into the Traegerhood with a dependable, high-capacity grill, you can find the best price for the Traeger Pro 22 with pellet grill and smoker by clicking the link below.